Hello Moncescans, this is your Mama Mo. We are in the St. Jacob's Market today, located in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. I'm going to show you the inside of the market as well as some of the areas in the outside. It's the fall season, so behind me are some pumpkins and haystack displays. Okay, so let's go in. Hi, so we're outside the St. Jacob's Market. Outside here you can also see vendors of vegetables, fruits, and other crafts. St. Jacob's Market is the largest farmers market here in Ontario. You want to see veggies selling veggies? Here you go. to share with you my haul from my trip to St. Jacobs Market. I bought a liter of apple cider, got some red pepper jelly. This is peach and jalapeno, and this is just red pepper. This is some smoked bacon. That's good. And another summer sausage. This is made by the Mennonites. And here's a slice of kielbasa. And an extra hot pepper cheddar. Also a giant cabbage. There's a big bag of potatoes and sweet potatoes, just $5 for all of them. Green beans are about $3. All of this garlic is $5. These are Ontario grown garlic, they're not from China. This is a different kind of apple picking. I'm going to make some apple pie. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share.